Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Bluetooth to your Jeep Cherokee. First, make sure your vehicle's ignition is in the run position, but the engine doesn't need to be running. Next, grab your smartphone and ensure its Bluetooth is activated and set to be discoverable by other devices. Then, navigate to your Jeep's Uconnect system and select the phone or Bluetooth option from the main menu. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth pairing process. Once you're in the Uconnect phone menu, select the Pair Device or Add Device option. Your Jeep system will then begin searching for nearby Bluetooth devices. On your phone, you should see Uconnect or Jeep appear in the list of available devices. Select it. A 4-digit PIN will display on your Uconnect screen. Enter this exact code into your phone when prompted. Finally, confirm the pairing request on both devices to establish the connection. If you encounter issues, a simple restart often resolves many problems. Try turning your phone off and on again, and if possible, cycle your Jeep's ignition. Sometimes, deleting old pairings from both your phone's Bluetooth settings and the Uconnect system's device list can clear conflicts. Also, ensure your phone's operating system is current, as outdated software can cause compatibility issues. Finally, check for any Uconnect system updates at your dealership or through the official website. Beyond basic calls, your Jeep's Bluetooth offers several advanced features. You can use voice commands to make calls, send texts, and even control music playback, keeping your hands safely on the wheel. Stream your favorite podcasts or music directly from your phone to the vehicle's sound system for an immersive audio experience. The Uconnect system often allows you to manage up to 7 paired devices, letting you easily switch between them. Explore available Uconnect apps for even more integrated functionality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.